Step.
Foot in front of foot.
Foot in front of foot.
Bitch, I don't even know if I'm
Best versions of ourselves in 2022.
Even when you start acting like a fool, you know I'm loving every single thing you do.
Ooh, child. My feet. Red dress is selling me. I like it. Look at the split. I want the split.
Oh, you already said you wanted to split.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Like, that is real cute. It's got a little cleavage out. I like that.
That is cute.
What we looking for, Danielle? I might see something. It's burgundy. It's giving sexy cleavage,
Yes.
and it's giving back out.
What a split at? We don't see the
I
split.
don't see no split, but I do like the back out.
Okay. Alright. I see you. I like it.
I do like it too.
That's number 2.
That might be the one.
That's number 2.
I'm tired of my friend talking about herself like she's just big. Y'all, we about like in the third store. I just haven't picked up the phone and start recording. I haven't picked up the phone at all, and I'm such a black. Oh, that's it. I'm finna go. Bye. Oh, you want to go nowhere? Oh, you still want to stay? No, you gotta go though, for real. You gotta go. So it's the next day, and I really wanted to have a sit down moment with y'all and talk. I know that I got my headphones and I'm on the phone because it's giving very much ghetto, but hey, my phone been acting crazy, so I'm not perfect, whatever. But I've been a procrastinator ever since I was in high school, and I feel like that is bad, and I need to stop procrastinating and start doing what I love. Like, I love making videos, and it might not even be for the views. It's just to simply like talk to somebody. And please excuse this right here. I'm telling you, like, I'm going out of town tomorrow, so I'm gonna fix that tonight. And I can't keep constantly putting my life on hold or just stop doing the things I love for other people, you know? And I know like a lot of young people watch me, and I know my family watch me, and I just really want to tell y'all what my family just really been telling me last year was just stay encouraged and keep your head up. And I guess right now we don't really see God working, and we pray and we pray and we pray, and we just like, you know what, I feel like God is not hearing my prayers, and He's hearing your prayers. He's hearing them. And I had to remind myself that He hears me and He understands our cries, you know, but we also on His time too. We on His time. He not on our time. We on His time. But really, like any young person out there watching me, I just really want to tell you to stay encouraged. I hope that just watching me as a new YouTuber, that you can kind of see my growth. And honestly, we gonna live our life in 2022. We're not gonna constantly keep letting people stress us out. We are going to be the best versions of ourselves in 2022. We have to learn how to invest in ourselves. That's all I wanted. Let's get back into the video. I'm sorry, guys.
Huh? We try to check in ourselves or do we wait? Yes? Okay, thank you.
Management service is available throughout the terminal.
Wow. And the sun hitting just perfect. Another good picture spot.